I am so darn bored. There's nothing to do here. Nothing. Oh, I know. I'll go and talk to somebody. I hate lotion.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Look, Lotion, I know they're annoying, but you don't have to do that.
Fine, but if she does that one more time, I swear I'm gonna put her in a coma this time.
Whatever rocks your boat, I guess. Also, one more thing. Did you...
Hey, guys!
Hey, Ghost Sign. Are you okay? It's a waffle, if that makes you feel any better.
Whoa, is Ghost Sign alright?
I don't think so.
Darn.
Blah, blah, blah. Hey, guys, can you shut up?
No.
Blah, 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 blah. Hey, guys, come over here. Me and Kay found something.
Well, I guess we have to go now.
Whoa, dude, what is that?
We don't know. Me and Kay were just going on a walk, and then we found this mysterious blue box by a bush. Also, you can drop that box now.
Ooh, I want to poke it.
Don't you dare.
Why would you poke it? Now it's cracked. I just wanted to poke it. I'm sorry. Well, what do we do now? Just don't poke it. It might just break.
God damn it, PS3. Look what you did. Oh, great. Half of the people are dead. Hey, guys. Where's the box?
I don't know, it just disappeared. Wait, PS3? You're alive? I thought you died.
Ask the guy that I'm standing right next to.
Huh?
Hey, guys.
It's a gremlin.
That's the guy that brought me back from the dead, I guess.
Holy crap, who the hell was that? Oh my god.
Shut up.
So, if you can revive people, can you revive our friends? Please, please, please. I'm gonna cry if you don't.
Okay.
Wow, death is pretty awesome. I agree.
Whoa, dude. Who the heck's that guy?
It's me, Ninja.
Let me guess. You're gonna make an object show. Where did Spikeweed go?
Back.
Yep, okay. Spikeweed is correct. I am gonna make an object show with you guys. Now.
Ooh, do we get to make our team?
No, I am gonna make the teams.
Okay, on the first team, they're gonna be, Log, Caffeine Card, Heat Lotion, Spikeweed, and Boogie Bomb.
God damn it.
And on the second team, it's gonna be the objects that didn't get picked in the first team. Alright, what's the prize for this anyways?
You'll find out. Anyways, since I'm such a nice guy, you can make your team name.
Yeah!
12 sleepless hours later.
Do we really have to wait 12 hours for this freaking challenge? Apparently, I guess.
Alright, contestants, it's time for the challenge.
Finally.
Alright, contestants, since it's Halloween, I'm gonna give you a spooky challenge.
Ooh,
For
awesome.
this challenge, you have to survive the entities inside the forest I'm gonna put you in. You have to survive until, like, I don't know, 6 a.m. Or the team that survives the longest will win.
That's awesome.
3, 2,
Wait,
1,
I have
go!
a question. Oh, great.
Oh, I can't see anything in the dark. Oh, what the hell is that? It's coming from that bush over there.
You scream like a cow.
That was so funny.
Wow, I sure do like walking. Good one. Oh god, no! Guys, look! We can win!
Oh, hi.
Hang on, I just won for my team. Yeah! Yes! Take that!
The team!
You're stupid. What are you talking about? Only members died. You're forgetting somebody spiky. Who the hell is Spiky?
Wow. Not even 1 minute in and you guys already died. Good job.
Okay, so, I forgot to send Spikeweed to the forest, so I guess the team wins.
Yes! Hey guys, vote one of these losers down below in the comments. Voting ends in 48 hours. See ya. And also happy Halloween.